to my another video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys some beautiful places in Xi'an. So first I'll start with the Muslim street, then we'll go to Drum Tower, and at the end I'll show you guys the Bell Tower. Bell Tower is really beautiful place in Xi'an. So if you guys like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share this video and press the bell icon. So let's start. So this is the Muslim street. You can see it's a very old street, so many things to buy. And there is something delicious to eat. This is one shop and they have lots of things for decoration here. So let me take you all inside. Wow, this is so beautiful. You can put these things on your car. It's really amazing. Earrings. This is really awesome. So beautiful. You can see people are coming here to buy these kind of stuff. You can see so many people here, and it really looks so beautiful. These things are made by some stones and it's so expensive. 12,000 yuan, 3,000 yuan, 6,000 yuan. And this is made by the gold with the stone. Wow, 20,000, 22,000. So expensive. I also found some old watches here. You can see this one, Captain America. A lot many. These are the statues of terracotta warriors, you can see. This uncle will show how to play this one. 开始！哎呀！哇，这是什么？多少钱一个？5块钱。It's 5 RMB for one. Many shops, they drink some kind of juices, pomegranate, watermelon. What is this? This is how you get the real pearls. This is how they make them shine. Comes under this one. One of a shop here where they do kind of a foot massage, like clean your feet and using some kind of fish in water. So these are all handmade things. And you can see this aunt, she's right now she's just doing this thing. She's making something. This street is very old street. There are a lot of things to eat here and a lot of things to buy, you know. Really beautiful street. So many things to eat here. Squid. Hello. These are the strawberries and they put it in this sweet thing. So it's sweet. So many things to eat. I'm so confused what I can eat, what I can skip. So many delicious things they have. Wow, this is made by the candy. This is the place they make here for like taking photos. They also mention here. Take a picture. You can check like all the people write the words on this. Really pretty. This is place for the lamb. So lamb with some kind of white bread. And this for beef. Same thing but with different kind of meats. This street is really beautiful. You can see so many people around me. And a lot of things to eat, so much delicious food, some pretty things to buy. So this street is really, it's not just the first time I came here, but so many times, but every time I came here I feel so good, you know. This street is really old, really beautiful, and with a lot of things. I thought I can also try one lamb. So this is like a barbecue thing made up with a lamb. So I bought two. So I'm gonna try and I'm gonna tell you guys how it tastes like. So bought these two. It tastes really good. So let me finish both of them and then I'm get back to the video. This is the drum tower and this is the entrance of this Muslim street. Now I present to you guys the drum tower. Wow, so beautiful. So now something what I'm gonna show you guys, it's unbelievable. So just please stay on the video and you're about to see the beautiful bell tower. So here we go guys, this is the bell tower. You can see how beautiful it is. Many people, foreigners, everyone came here just to see this beautiful bell tower. So here we go.
beautiful bell tower. So every morning they play some, I don't know how many bells they have inside. Too many, and they play all the bells here. And that one I showed you, that's a drum tower. This is the place in summer. There are so many people here because of winter, so not too many people. But in summer, there are so many people. Some people they play guitar, some songs, and a lot of people just watch them. So this is, you can see, the quite busy street, too busy street, and it's how beautiful. Check. One of the beautiful drum tower, and this is the bell tower of Xi'an. Present you guys the bell tower. Now I'm going back to my apartment. So today I showed you guys one drum tower, Muslim street, and the bell tower. Now heading towards my home. And it's really too cold in evening now. In the night time, it's really cold. You can see everyone wearing these, all their winter clothes, the thermals, the jackets and everything, because it's too cold here. But if you can come to this street during the summertime, you even cannot get a place to walk, There is no place to put your feet on. So it's too busy street in summer, but still in winters you can still see there are lots of people here. They're all electric buses. These are the electric buses, and here's the street. And this looks beautiful only at night. In daytime, if you came here, it's not that beautiful. So if you guys planning to come here to watch this beautiful bell tower, drum tower, suggest you guys you can come in the night time, because in the night time it's more beautiful. And lots of people, they came here in night time, not in the daytime.